I'm here to talk about some more crafts you can do with your young child. If you don't want to mess with finding the things at your house, you could go to a craft store and find a wide variety of things that you could do with your child, fairly inexpensive. They're really, really good fine motor, eye-hand coordination type activities. They produce something precious that your child's really proud of, and fairly low maintenance for you. Some ideas, just some really quick little things from a craft store. The little Halloween mummy comes with all the pieces. All you need is glue to put it together. A cute activity. Here is some fun shapes, little beads, little tubular beads to make a design on these little grids. Really, really excellent fine motor skills. It takes a lot of control to be able to put those little beads on there. And you'll find your child's very determined to get that finished. Here is some your basic pop cleaners and puffball art, little activities. This one happens to be funky fish. There's others to make insects. Really cute. All you need is some glue, some creativity. We have some really neat little painting activities. They give you the little plastic shape and give you the paints, and you fill in the blanks, and you have a pretty little sun catcher to put in your window. What I like about these is basically everything you need is in the package. Here's another little sun catcher activity, little frogs. You sprinkle the little crystals in, and then you bake it for a while. Now this one would require some grown-up supervision, but still really fun, cute to hang in your windows. And here's some more little fun, very inexpensive, $2 little stringing necklaces with the foam. The strings in there, the foam shapes are there. Some fun things to do, low maintenance, and cute.